What is up, you guys? It is your girl Yamani Plush back with another banger. And as you can see, I got this sleek ass, fire ass, bust down middle part. And if you want to see how I got to these results, stay tuned, guys. All right, you guys, so we do have a transparent unit. It is a 13 by 6 frontal, which allows for deep parting. It is also 30 inches, as you guys can see, and it comes to like halfway down my butt, as you can see. And it is kind of thin. It depends on if you like it thin or not. It depends on the look I'm going for, but for this look I wanted it a little bit thicker. So just as transparency, I did fill this wig in with some extra tracks. I also customized it to my liking. So in order to have a bust down jet black wig, you gotta dye that joint. So I did dye the entire wig, which I did off camera, and now it's time for the installation. I use my Hair by Erica J glue, and I use some Got to Be spray to achieve this look. So just watch me do what I do or whatever. So I already know I'm about to get questions about this in the comments, but the reason why I laid my lace down a little bit before it was clear is because sometimes when you let it get clear, it may dry before you actually lay your lace, and that will mess up your whole application. So for me, I like to go in while it's still, kind of tacky, to lay my lace down so it can actually adhere to my scalp, okay? Once I finish blow drying and the glue is fully dry, you can see that there's no extra residue. It's no longer white. It's laying where it's supposed to be laid, giving what it's supposed to be gave. And y'all cannot tell me that this don't look like scalp. Y'all cannot tell me that this don't look like scalp. So what I'm about to do in this part is just basically, make sure that my hair is going away from my face, because I do want a no baby hair look for this wig. So I'm just gonna go in. Now tell me this ain't scalp. Tell me this don't look like it's growing straight out of my head. Don't play with them. Don't play. So anyway, I'm just gonna go in and spray some Gots to Be, just to make sure that everything that I need is laid down prior to cutting off this extra lace. So I'm going behind the hairline just a little bit, just to make sure that all of that is laying down. And then I'm gonna comb all the extra hair back, just to mold it prior to doing the hot comb method. Sacred.
These are muscles.
Everybody, I'm taking a quick break because I just gave my baby a haircut. It is, what's today?
My birthday.
Look in the thing, in the lens. You still looking at yourself. Look in the lens. I love this kid. Tell him how old you are today.
7.
So my big baby is 7 years old. This is unreal. I cannot believe it. I was, you were born. What time is it? You were born already. Crying your little head off right now. At 7:48 a.m. Yes, you was crying your little head off. Yeah. And the baby. And the baby. And the baby. The craziest thing just happened to me. So I had a coworker. This is my bitch, my dog, still to this day. I had an old coworker, my friend, and every time she said her kids' birthdays come up, she always feels cramps. And I'm like, girl, she's like, I still feel the contractions. I'm like, it's no way. I literally, while I was cutting his hair, had a cramp. My period is long gone for the last week and a half, 2 weeks. It might be some truth to that theory, because what? Right, baby? It's your machine. I love it. You know, people hype their kids up, but my kid is like the best kid in the world, bro. Like, he's obviously, like, you know, has his moments, like all children, but this is like the best thing I could have asked for. Right, Sugar? Right, baby? You still got hair on your face. We gotta get you ready for school. Love you. Come on, let mama finish her hair because I gotta drop you to school. Okay, y'all, so let's finish. I pretty much finished drying it, and now it's time to go in and add the makeup to the outer part of the lace. And I'm literally just using the remainder that was on the brush from when I first put it underneath the lace, and I didn't add any more product to it. I'm literally using what is on the brush. I might add a little bit more because I still feel like I need a little bit more, but I'm just going to use as much as I can from this brush. And it's giving Scalpiano. Yes, it sure is. It's giving Scalpiano. So I have the lid to it. I really don't want to pick up much product, so I'm just take the remnants from the lid, literally. I do not want to pick up much product at all.
Say never again.
My mother let him watch American Tail the other day. He in here singing the songs. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some Got To Be just to lock that in. And then I'm gonna use my comb, because one thing I hate when I spray Got To Be is for it to have that like nasty sheen. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I like to comb, when I spray it, I like to comb through the hair so the hair could go in the direction I need it to, so it makes hot combing easier. So literally comb it like that. So when I do the hot comb is just reinforcing what I already did. Okay? So this is what it's giving. This is what it's giving right now. It's giving scalp. It's giving very much so scalp. So I'm going in and I'm cutting this into sections so I can begin to get this extra lace off. Right? So you want to be as soft as possible with this. Mistakes I've made in the past is pulling the lace and then cutting, because you'll lift up glue, you'll have glue remnants. Be as soft as you can with this. Whatever you glue down, sis, that's it. That's why you got to be real careful around your, like how you apply the glue, because you do not want extra lace. Okay? So I have like this little hiccup right here. I'm about to go in and fix with my scissors, my shears, whatever you call them. There we go. And then intermittently, as you're cutting off the lace, I'm gonna go in with the comb, push anything right back into place where it belongs. That's it. So I'm gonna continue, because I'm done with my first little square. I'm gonna pull it off so I can see what I'm doing. Look, you can't even, you like, girl. Scalp, it's giving scalp. What lace? It's giving what lace? It's giving what lace? You want to be very careful with this part, because you do not want to cut yourself. Because I've done that plenty of times, child. Like, not noticeable cuts, but it's enough that when I spray something on it, I feel the burn. It's like, baby, like, what are you doing? Alright, so we're here, and now this is the part for the ear tabs. So now there's this little section right here. I'm just gonna cut that off with my scissor, and then we're gonna go around the ear. See that? There we go. One side done. Bring that ear out. And it's giving scalp, bitch. It's giving scalp. Very much so. It's giving scalp. This look today, I'm going for a no baby hair look. I mean, I'm going for a no baby hair look. I'm going to go as natural as possible. Because the theme of the photo shoot today is very much like nature girl. Because I don't want to give away my theme, because I don't know if this is gonna go up before or after. It may go, no, it's gonna go up after, more than likely, but you just don't know. It could be a certain turn of events and this goes up first. So yes, baby. So this is how I cut off my lace, and I'm gonna do the other side, and yeah. I will leave all the details for this wig in the description, as well as on the screen and certain specific areas of this video, as well as my social medias. Subscribe and follow your girl on her socials. But this is what it's given so far. I did not hot comb it yet, so it's not as flat as it's going to be, and I have to fix my part. But right now, this is what it's hitting for. And my lighting is off because the light is only hitting one side of my face. I did not put my ring light in here because I'm just running low on time. But in realistic lighting, this is what it's giving. Scalp. It's giving scalp. Okay, so I'm about to tie my elastic band back on my lace, and then I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail and just get ready to take Sacred to school. And then I have to go to the post office to pick up my pants for his birthday party. And baby, like, if they send them shits back, I am doomed for sure. Okay? Because we are matching like almost to the T for his party, and I'm gonna be so upset because it's gonna be so hard to find that color on such short notice. Okay, so just to make sure everything stays in place, because today is kind of muggy, it's raining. I'm gonna tie my elastic down, and then I'm gonna put a bonnet or something to protect what I've done already, because I'm not doing that again, just in case it starts to come down again today, because it's supposed to be showers on and off, and my photo shoot is outside, and I'm severely upset. But the time that I booked it is just gonna be cloudy, and there's no real chance for showers. So there's that. Honey boo boo chow, honey boo boo chow. Pray today goes well, because the place that I'm shooting at is like finicky when it comes to weather, so naturally so. So let's see. I'll give it to God. But for right now, I'm mostly for the 99% done. I'm just gonna hot comb and flat iron and give myself those little wispy baby hairs I was talking about. And I'll come back on film, because y'all probably don't want to see that. This video has probably been long enough. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product.